Learn how to validate your Pixel to make sure it's installed and firing correctly. First, navigate to the specific page on your website where the Pixel has been placed. Next, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. This will open a new panel, often to the side or bottom of your browser, that shows the website's source code. In this new panel, click on the Network tab. Once you have the Network tab open, refresh the page. This will show you all the files and scripts that are loading. Now, you'll need to filter for a specific file, which depends on the type of Pixel you're using. If you're validating a web engagement pixel, filter for pixel.v1.js in the Network tab's search bar. If you're validating a conversion or site retargeting pixel, filter for XAD. Once the page is fully loaded, look at the results. If you see the file you searched for and it shows a 200 status code or a 304 status code, that means your pixel has successfully fired and is working correctly. If you're having trouble with the Pixel implementation or Pixel firing, here are a few steps you can take. Review our in-depth Pixel installation documentation to make sure each step was followed correctly. If installing via Google Tag Manager, remember to submit the workspace changes to push everything live. Consult your web developer to help ensure the Pixel code is correctly integrated with your website's specific platform and code. Still stuck? Please reach out to Ground Truth Support for further assistance. Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.